There are many challenges associated with living on the road, but there are certain days that make every struggle seem irrelevant. Today was one of those days, and although we've been tested by the Florida heat and humidity, we found a peaceful oasis to cool down and reset. In search of more unique camping experiences, we stumbled upon a small family-owned farm to spend the evening where we meet some new friends and get to see just how much work goes into raising cattle. Subscribe if you're new here, and welcome to Living Large Camping. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Living Large Camping. We are in North Central Florida, I guess.
Crescent City. I think it's where it is. Well, we can say where we're not really sure. We were just at Tomoka State Park, and we stayed at a harvest house.
We are here in like the North Central Florida area, and we spent the last night at our first harvest host location. It was a spot called Halley's Landing. They had great burgers, and they had paddle boards and stuff like that for rent, but it was raining all day, so we didn't get to use those. But either way, it was an average night's sleep, and now we are here ready to have a great day.
While we were there was another couple who noticed we had a YouTube channel and just were asking us about that and gave us a recommendation to check out a local spring nearby. So we are here right now. It is called Mud Springs. It is about a mile walk in, and we're gonna go check that out with you guys.
It's still going to be raining all day here, but that's all right. We're ready to go walk around and explore, so we're going to switch over to the GoPro, and we'll bring you guys along with us. Everybody's got their rain jackets on.
We're ready. Here we go.
Let's go, Bert, let's go.
You held me out of the dark. I always wonder if you were left without a mark.
So this is an older GoPro that we have. It's just a little cube one, so there's no screen on it. I think it's been working all right, but we're kind of finding that we may need something a little more waterproof for adventures and stuff like this. So if you want to see some better quality there, let us know below.
Did you ever not know?
It's still early April, but everything here is so green. And I don't think they've had all that much rain because I'm pretty sure Florida's in a relatively big drought right now. But we've got rain all week here, so I think it's only going to be more green. And it's just really pretty to look at.
Do you think there's a chance for this love to be real?
Look how blue that is.
I don't know, this might be one of this area's best kept secrets because it was really hard to find on a map. We had to get instructions from the lady on how to get here. And obviously it's pouring down rain, so no one else is going to be here this morning. So
But it's worth it.
I'm excited.
Let's go swimming. You only have one item of clothing.
Yeah.
Days I wanna be where you are. Stay with me, it's getting late. Fill me with a desire that I
He's a little chilly.
Did you ever let go? Did you ever not know? You were never out there alone. Do you think there's a chance for this love to be real? I will let you take the wheel. From now on.
Well, that has been amazing. This place is beautiful, and it's so nice that there's nobody here, but it's a little chilly, so we're gonna head back to the camper, eat some breakfast, and just enjoy the rest of this day.
We saw this earlier, so I wanted to pick it back up again, but there's trash cans at the front and at the spring. It's not that hard.
You were telling me everything I didn't know. Outside there's a midnight rain.
Yummy.
With the hardest of heart, I still feel full of pain.
Really tasty. One of my favorite things about this lifestyle is we go do a nice 2-mile hike, we end up at a spring, come back, and we just make lunch in our home.
Well, that was great morning. I loved going to the spring, but now we're gonna head to our second harvest host.
This next spot is a small family farm, and I think they've got a decent number of animals and stuff there, so we're excited to go check that out. We've got about an hour and a half in the car, a little bit of rain right now, but should be an easy drive.
We made it! We are at our second harvest host called Indigo Ridge Farms, and there are cows right out our window. I think that's the first time that we can say that, and I'm very excited.
We just pulled in. The owner of the property already came over and met us. He had to go tend to the cows for a little bit, so we're gonna make a cocktail and just kind of relax and just be glad to be off the road.
Watch the cows. Also raining here a little bit. It's been very on and off today, sprinkling every now and then, so we're just gonna hang out inside and we might get to go pet the cows later. So we'll see.
Look at all that ass. Easy cocktail, easy road trip.
Cheers. What I should have said is cheers to the cows.
They're gonna be so intrigued with your obsession with cows.
You say. Oh my goodness! Hi,
How are
sweetie.
you?
Oh my goodness, you're a good girl. Oh! He's got really blue eyes.
This is Chardonnay. She's the mom of this one.
Okay.
This is a girl. That's Yin Yang, the spotted
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
And that goat, I call it Silver. It's a girl too.
Right in the middle.
Those two they never eat out of my hand. Of course Eve will. But here's what I'm gonna do.
You just got one, but I'll give you another. Oh!
Kevin is a full-blood Aberdeen.
Okay.
So is
Okay. And these are all. Yeah.
Friday. Oh, wow!
Mom is grumpy. Friday was born on Friday the 13th.
Oh.
She'll knock her right out of there.
Ooh.
Shit over here all calm.
Hey.
You're just hanging coming in.
She's the oldest
Alright.
Yes.
Ready? Boop. I was feeding the cows.
Top of the gator earlier.
That was
Raisin Bran.
Remy is a little touch. Remy likes to
So we just got back from a tour of Paul's farm. He's the farmer here and he owns the property, and it was such a great time talking with him. We got to meet all the cows and all the goats and just kind of hear about his story. We talked about canoeing and camping and everything like that with him. So that was just a great way to spend this afternoon, and it started raining a lot, so we're back in the camper now. But overall, could not recommend this place more.
Okay, so Connor booked this one, and that was amazing. I absolutely loved it. I got to boop them. I got to feed them. Ah! It was so fun. I loved it. Alright guys, well, we've seen in the comments that none of you think that I cook as well, so I will be cooking tonight's dinner. We are making shrimp with the mango salsa we've made a couple videos ago with rice. So I'm gonna get to chopping and I'm gonna cook this time.
So if the filming is not as good as it is usually, that's because Amelia is usually the one behind the camera while I cook. She's just smaller and she can get around and get better angles than I can, so that's why I'm always the one cooking. But I get to have dinner made for me tonight. Thanks for cooking.
You're welcome. It was fun to cook. So like I said, we have shrimp with mango salsa over rice. I'm very excited to dive in.
We are definitely getting our seafood kick in while we are camping here in Florida. So if you have any great seafood recipes, please leave those in the comments below because we love cooking new things and right now our kick is fish. So we'd love to hear what you have to offer. Obviously we did not like that at all.
That was so good. If you like seafood at all, we highly recommend making that recipe because it's very light and fresh and delicious.
Dinner was so good, but now it's time for us to clean the dishes and get everything put away and organized, and then we have to catch up on some editing tonight because we are a couple videos behind and we really haven't had a chance to sit down and dedicate some time to y'all. So we're gonna do that tonight and we will see you guys in the morning.
Good night, guys.
Good morning, guys. We are actually going to work this morning. The farmer came over and asked us last night if we would help him herd some cattle. So we, of course, said yes and got our coffee. Here we go.
Hey. Is that it?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Rosie.
Do that little too. Okay, that was very cool. So we didn't really show too much, but they had their vet here and they were checking 6 to see if they were pregnant. I think 5 of the 6 were pregnant. And that was something very cool. I've never done anything like that before. I felt a little bit out of my comfort zone, but it was very cool.
So far, our Harvest Host experience has been great. It's stuff I've seen before. I grew up in FFA and around this kind of stuff, but never really firsthand with it. So it was nice to see and made for a fun morning.
I loved it.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed coming with us on honestly one of our favorite days that really had nothing going for it at the start. We weren't even planning on filming, and then we met this couple at our last Harvest Host. They told us about Mud Springs.
Yeah.
We found this Harvest Host. We got to help out with their cattle, and it was just honestly a wonderful adventure.
Yeah, it's something very different than what we've filmed before and even done before, so we loved it. We hope you guys also loved seeing that. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. And hopefully we can do some more stuff like this.
Yeah, I'll leave the link to the Harvest Host here, Indigo Ridge Farms. Thank you, Paul and Charlene, for letting us stay. We had a great time talking with y'all.
Yes.
And yeah, it was just a great adventure. So hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along with us. If you did, hit that subscribe button and let us know that you're still here.
We are continuing the springs in Florida as we're headed to Blue Springs State Park, so we hope you guys join us in the next video. But for now, thank you for watching.
Hope you have a large day. We'll see you next time.